Here's how to do Euclid 1, Book 1, Proposition 3 on Desmos, and I'll show you some tricks for making it look nicer. First, we have to make equilateral triangle. This one doesn't have a tool for it, so I'm just going to make the line segment. And a little trick is that I'm going to make the circle to make my equilateral triangle. But I really don't want to see this whole circle, so I'm going to now go over to arc. And arc, you click on 3 points. Now I just want to have an arc that goes around here somewhere, so I'll just click 3 points that are kind of near. Whoops. Try that again. So I go to arc, and I'll just click like here, here, and here. And that way I can click on this circle again, and I can hide it. So now I just see the arc. I actually don't even want to see these points, so I'll hide them also. Now I'll make the other circle, which goes this way. And again, I want to make an arc just because I don't want to see all this. So I'll just go like this, this, and that. Now I have the arc. Now if I click on this circle, I can hide the circle, and I can hide each of these points. So I like a little less, now I'm going to make the intersection point right there. And then I'm going to make, so this is a little more work than the other type, but it lets me make arcs, which is nice. Now I want to make a circle, center B, going through C. And I really don't need the whole circle, so I'm going to go to arc. I just need, when I extend this line segment of the triangle, I want enough of the arc for that. So I'm just going to go like that. Now I have the arc. Oops. Now I can hide my circle. And I also don't need to see these 3 points. Okay, now I'm going to extend the side and see where it intersects, which is over here. Now I'm going to make the bigger circle, and I'm going to extend this side. Just like before, I didn't really need the whole circle, so I'm just going to like take a little portion of it. I made an arc, then I click on the circle and hide the circle, and I don't really need to see these 3 points. So you see what I'm doing is I'm just making portions of the circle to make this easier to see. This point here, that from A to that point is the length of BC. But I want to have it to be on that original line. So I'm going to just go from here to here. And this point here will be the magic point. Just to see, I guess I could hide some of this stuff. Didn't mean to hide the answer. That's the answer. I'm going to hide this circle also. Anyway, that's the way that works.